Attention please. Look, if you are working a 9-to-5 job right now, this message is for you. Because let's be honest, your salary alone is not enough anymore. Prices are rising, responsibilities are growing, and deep down, you know you need another income stream. But the real question is, what side hustle can you actually do without quitting your job? In this video, I am going to break down the best side hustle for corporate employees. This is practical, realistic, and profitable. And trust me, some of these can literally replace your salary. I have worked with professionals who went from living paychecks to paychecks to building income stream to finally having financial freedom. And it didn't just happen overnight. It started with a simple side hustle. So grab your notepad because this could change your life. Section 1. Digital side hustle. This is high income potential. Number 1. Freelancing. Skill-based income. If you have any skill like writing, designing, video editing, and marketing, you are already sitting on money. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn allows you to monetize your skill globally. Why this works is that you trade skill, not time, for higher income. Number 2, content creation. You can use YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You don't need millions of followers to make money. Start sharing career tips, financial advice, lifestyle content. Why this works is that content builds authority plus income through ads, sponsorship, and digital products. And yes, you can start with just your phone. Number 3 is selling digital products. Create something once and sell it forever. Examples are ebooks, templates, online courses. Why this works is that this is a passive income at its peak. Section 2. Flexible side hustle. These are work after hours. 1. Remote virtual assistant. Busy entrepreneurs need help. You can assist with emails, scheduling, social media. Why it works is that low barrier to entry plus consistent monthly income. Number 3, affiliate marketing. You don't need your own product. Promote other people's products. Earn commission on every sale. Why this one works is no inventory, no stress, just strategy. Number 4, social media management. Businesses are struggling to stay relevant online. If you understand Instagram, TikTok, content trend, you can get paid to manage accounts. Why it works is that high demand, recurring income. Section 3, side businesses. These are scalable. 7, mini importation stroke e-commerce. Buy products at low cost, sell at higher prices locally. Why this works is that simple business model plus high margin. Number 8 is print on demand businesses. Design t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs. No inventory needed. Why it works is that you only produce when someone orders. Number 5, coaching or consulting. If you are experienced in your field, teach others. Why it works is that your knowledge becomes your income. Section 4, smart side hustles. Leverage your job. Number 10, industry-based side hustle. Look at your current job. What problem can you solve outside your company? Examples are HR can solve CV writing service, accountant, tax consulting, IT, tech support. Why it works? You already have the expertise. Let me be honest with you. Side hustles are not magic. You will need discipline, consistency, and patience. But here is the truth. Your job can fund your side hustle, but your side hustle can replace your job. If this video opened your eye, type side hustle in the comment section. If you want to know which one you are starting this month, and if you are serious about building multiple income streams, make sure you subscribe because I am dropping more strategy like this. Don't click off yet. Watch this video where I break down how to turn your side hustle into a full-time income. Remember, your salary pays the bills, but your side hustle builds your future. Kindly follow me for more.